Hello, my name is Diana and I'm going to be doing a summary and reactions of the videos and articles on flipped learning. So what is flipped learning? It is a new pedagogical method which employs asynchronous video lectures and practice problems as homework and active group-based problem solving activities in class. There are two learning theories to this new type of learning. They are problem-focused learning activities and instructional lectures. In this article, they conducted a survey on research on flipped learning and found that studies conducted to date explore student perceptions and used single group study designs. Student perception reports are mixed but overall positive. Some students preferred in-person lecture, but they do prefer interactive classroom activities as opposed to lecture. Overall, evidence suggests that learning does improve. In the article, Flipped Classroom's Teachers Lecture Online Use Class for Practice, Ms. Sheridan explains how she has implemented flipped learning. Students learn a concept at home and in school they practice, which shows some gain, although there were mixed feelings from students. This teacher likes this learning method because she feels that class time is more meaningful, but others feel that at-home learning becomes less meaningful since one is not able to ask questions. Other teachers, like Brame, suggest that classroom sizes should shrink and incorporate more active learning. Overall, a basic outline of this classroom is for students to first watch a video on the material. They then take a quiz on that. From the results, they make groups and discuss among their groups. In Professor Vu's video with his guest lecturer, the lecturer focused on explaining his study and answering three important questions. Number 1, why would instructor flip his or her classroom? Number 2, does flipping improve student learning? And number 3, what are some recommendations for teachers interested in flipping? Another interesting video was where we got to see what a flipped classroom actually looks like and what faculty thinks about flipped learning. In Clintondale High School, Principal Green demonstrates what all the positive outcomes are to this learning style. He explains that with local business funding, flipped learning was able to enhance traditional teaching. Teachers at this school say that they are able to get an insight on problems they did not know that their students were having. Finally, the flipped classroom model video demonstrates the way that this learning style should be implemented, such as teachers guiding on the side and not directly in front of students, and also promoting equal opportunities. So, reaction to articles. I thought the articles all were a great way to learn the characteristics of flipped learning, but from that, I thought that not only should we discuss the positives of flipped learning, but also we need to investigate in what ways it has shortcoming, and that can be overall or even towards particular groups of students. Additionally, the concerns people express, such as not being able to ask questions while listening to lectures, should also be addressed and fixed. I also thought that I would want to hear more of students' opinions. So my reactions to the videos. Professor's guest speaker also gave a great answer to questions someone that may want to start implementing flipped learning may have. However, in the speaker's study, he did mention concerning issues such as the ink loss meter problem, where there were some students who were not even able to participate until week 6 in the quarter. So this raises some questions as to how valid this study would be. In the video that showed what a flipped classroom would look like, I liked how it was a news story because they did show footage of what it would look like as well as opinions from actual faculty, parents, and students. The video on the flipped classroom model was a good guideline to what some key aspects in the flipped classroom are. So I thought that was a good video as well. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching.